My name is Dave Brown. I'm from St. Mary, Jamaica, and we are at Show Orchards in West Montrose, Ontario. I didn't know what I was coming into, and it kind of scares me a bit, but after coming into Canada, seeing that it was apples, I was like, yes, this is what I wanted. We are here in March. We started pruning. Once we're finished pruning, then we do a trellis system maintenance. The workers are like family. We always have a jolly good time. So coming here and building a relationship with all these guys, and then over a period of time, everybody became one family. The respect is there. And then meeting the shows, it was like a dream come true because they are like one of the best folks.
Dave Brown came to us first in 2016. We saw that we had something special in Dave, and so we asked him if he would be interested in being a full season worker. And then in 2019, I believe it was, he came to us for the full season and showed much leadership skill, much management skill, and so we made the decision to invest in him. We are fully cognizant of the sacrifice that these guys make, and we appreciate it tremendously.
Yes, it is worth that sacrifice. It is, because in the long run it does help. It helps with everything. It helps with you developing yourself, learning to cope with different challenges. And it also helps you financially. You're home and you're just seeing the apples in the supermarket. You don't realize the hard work and the effort which has been put into this type of work. So we tend to grow these apples with love. Sometimes it's challenging being away from your family at times. It does work out in the long run. Welcome to Mason Yard. This is my little town. We have the rivers, we have the mountains. You do a lot of tours and a lot of adventures as kids growing up. Mason Yard is a small community. It's situated on the Junction Main Road between Kingston and the North Coast. We have about 50 inhabitants in this community. Welcome to my home. As you can see, I'm doing a bit of construction. We have good water supply. We have a nice river on the back here, and it's just great. All good. Best place I've ever lived. The money from the seasonal agricultural work program is my main driver in all of my living expenses here when I'm home. So it helped to do the reno on the house. It helped with the kid going back to school. Anything I have to do, that savings is the key to my development. When the hurricane hit, I was back at work in Canada. It was a bit tragic for what happened. A few landslides, a few people lost, a few whole buildings. It was a bit emotional knowing that you can't hear from your family at the time, but as the days go by, you get the information in patches that everyone is fine, everything is okay. I'll keep going. I'm not stopping. This is my wife, Melissa. We have been together since 2012.
At first it was a bit hard on me, but after a few years I get used to it.
Well, the sacrifice is really like taking care of the kids, and I am not around all the time. So she has to bear all of that load. Because she is a phlebotomy, so she works in Kingston. So she is in and out every day. So that is also one of the challenges we have. But I have good family support, like sisters, brothers, and cousins. So
now that I have the opportunity to visit him, it's even much easier for me. My trip to Canada was amazing. First, I was there in April. I really enjoyed the weather there. It was my first time seeing the snow. I really enjoy it. My second time was in the summer. That was even more amazing. I get to visit a lot of places. I was at Niagara Falls, which the sight and the view was actually breathtaking. I hope to visit soon though, again.
3 kids plus, yeah, and they enjoyed it a lot. They loved it. They love it. They want to come back as soon as possible. I think this program has changed my life a lot in the direction where I wanted to go a while before and could not have gone there, but the program has helped.